Can stretches right in with him. Merry Christmas. My brother gift. This was his gift earlier. I gave her the two weeks ago.
Thank you.
Yes, and that's how it's this time. Like,
Yes.
parang just so when it's not just Marika and last
Where?
Marco, I paid me for stuff. I even asked you. Marco been asking for a track since the longest. So.
Oh, that's nice. That is trust, dude. Thank you so much. Nice weekend. Yeah. Oh my god.
It's gonna stand.
Oh my god, you polo guys.
Message check.
Some of y'all can't get girls.
What you say? But who bought it?
He bought it.
It's nice.
Thank you. I'm so thankful. Honestly, I'm thankful. For my brother for doing this, even being with us. I was grateful for all the money and you being my life. Just always being a support. And Merry Christmas.
So it's nice. It's lucky mother. Mama.
Are you thinking? Okay.
Mama. You know her, she likes flash and stuff. She nobody everywhere. She likes the vibe. She likes the food. She likes all that.
But she
knows. I got her a nice rough little Russian worship. All COVID, mostly fucking the sign.
Yeah.
Side like this. Just a little it. Like this. The whole. You feel me? This is not. Hey.
Is there more? So much.
Word story. This is what comes for sure.
Oh, it's beautiful. Nice.
You are a wonderful son. We are blessed. That is so the faithful of it.
Because I'm blessed. I cannot happy with you.
Mommy, like I should have done. Oh my gosh,
That's so funny.
yeah, I should. I didn't visit.
Yeah, this was like weeks ago because we needed a jacket for winter.
Seriously, you're smart.
Yeah, he got it for him.
So, appreciate this now.
All those years, Mariah, for a while.
And he got a toy for Joshua. Yeah, he opened the toy.
It's the fresh Christmas where
He bought us some.
well, it's okay.
Yes.
It used to be where I couldn't afford a gift for myself.
Yeah. But now you can. Amen.
Oh, God.
Ah!